Imagine waking up and your work is already done. Emails replied, content created, and money made while you were still dreaming. That's not science fiction. It's the reality of using AI in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to turn artificial intelligence into your personal money-making machine and automate your life step by step. Section 1. AI in 2025. The new digital workforce. In 2025, AI isn't just a tool, it's your digital workforce. It writes, designs, speaks, builds, analyzes, and even thinks. It can manage your business, automate your schedule, and create digital products, all while you focus on strategy or sipping coffee. From smart assistants to autonomous agents, the AI world has evolved. Now, let's get into the fun part, how you can profit from it. 2025, AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's your digital workforce. It writes blogs, edits videos, answers emails, designs graphics, builds websites, speaks in natural voices, and even plans your day. Imagine having a team of tireless workers who never sleep AI clones, handling everything from content creation to customer service while you focus on strategy. Or better yet, just sip your coffee. This is the new normal. ChatGPT can brainstorm and write. Midjourney and DALLE design. ElevenLabs speaks. AutoGPT and AgentGPT think and execute entire goals without constant input. We're living in an era where solopreneurs can run full businesses with the help of just AI. From solopreneurs to side hustlers, this tech is no longer optional. It's essential. The only question now is, how are you going to use it? Let's jump into the fun part, how you can start making money with AI today. 4 ways to make money with AI in 2025. 1. Faceless YouTube channels. I built YouTube channels without ever showing my face. Here's how. One of the easiest ways I started making money with AI was through faceless YouTube channels. That means no camera, no mic, and no showing your face at all. Here's the step-by-step formula I use, and it's simpler than you think. First, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 5-minute script, something like Top 5 Habits of Successful People. Within seconds, it gives me a ready-to-use video script. Next, I copy that script into ElevenLabs, choose a natural-sounding voice, and just like that, I've got a full voiceover, no recording needed. Then I drop that voiceover into Pictory or Canva, add some stock video clips and background music, and boom, I have a complete video. Once uploaded, YouTube starts working for you 24/7. I focus on high CPM niches like finance and motivation to earn more from every view. Rinse and repeat this process, and you're building a YouTube channel that earns money without you ever needing to be on camera. 2 AI freelancing people are paying top dollar for AI-generated content. Logos with Midjourney, blogs with Zapier, Reels with Runway. You deliver AI-powered work, but they just see quality results. You don't need to be a designer or writer anymore to become a high-paid freelancer, because AI can do most of the work. I set up gigs on Fiverr and Upwork, offering services like AI-generated logos, blog articles, or social media videos. Need a logo? I use Midjourney. It turns text prompts into beautiful, unique designs in seconds. For written content, I use Zapier or ChatGPT to whip up blog posts, product descriptions, and newsletters. And for short-form content, like Instagram Reels or TikToks, Runway makes it easy to create trendy, polished videos. Think about it like this. On one side, you've got me with a laptop and AI tools. On the other, the client just sees the final result. High-quality work that gets delivered fast. AI freelancing lets you get paid like a pro without spending hours on every project. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere. 3. Digital products with AI. Want passive income? Use AI to write ebooks, generate guides, create Notion templates, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. AI builds the product once, and it sells forever. Looking for true passive income? Let AI create digital products that you sell once and get paid for over and over again. Start with ChatGPT to write an ebook, a guide, or a checklist in any niche. Personal finance, productivity, parenting, you name it. Then, take that content into Canva to design a clean, professional layout. In less than an hour, you've got a product ready to sell. You can also create Notion templates, planner sheets, and digital downloads that people actually want, with AI doing most of the thinking. Upload them to marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy, add a good title and thumbnail, and boom! You've got a storefront running 24/7. AI builds the product once, and it keeps selling, then while you sleep. This is how digital creators are using AI to unlock real freedom. Section 3. My AI Toolkit. Automate 90% of your workflow. These are the exact tools I use to run my AI-powered life. Now, let's talk about the real power behind the scenes, the AI tools that are doing 90% of the heavy lifting for me. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, building digital products, freelancing, or just automating your personal life, these tools are game changers. 1. ChatGPT. Writing, planning, learning. At the heart of it all is ChatGPT. I use it to write scripts, generate content ideas, create product descriptions, write emails, even map out my entire business plan. Need a blog post? Done. Want a marketing funnel? Just prompt it. Think of ChatGPT as your AI-powered writer, planner, and strategist, all in one. 2. ElevenLabs and Murph.ai, AI voiceovers. Next, for voiceovers, I use ElevenLabs or Murph.ai. These tools turn your scripts into professional-sounding narration, using ultra-realistic voices. It's how I produce faceless videos without ever speaking myself. You can choose different tones, accents, even clone your own voice if you want. 3. CapCut, Canva, video creation. For video creation, I use tools like CapQT Canva or Runway. These platforms let you combine visuals, voiceover, and text without editing experience. Drop in your script, and these tools can even suggest matching visuals automatically. It's drag and drop easy. 4. Notion AI, ClickUp AI, task management and brainstorming. When it comes to staying organized, I rely on Notion AI and ClickUp AI. I use them to plan content calendars, set goals, automate reminders, and brainstorm ideas. These aren't just task tools anymore. They think with you. 5. Zapier, Make.com, workflow automation. Zapier and Make.com are my glue for connecting everything. They automate repetitive tasks like uploading videos, sending emails, posting on social, or backing up files. Think of them as your AI-powered virtual assistants working in the background 24/7. 6. AutoGPT, Agent GPT, autonomous agents. Finally, for more advanced automation, I use tools like Agent GPT or AutoGPT. These are next-level AIs that can take high-level goals like build me a side hustle and break them down, research and act, almost like digital employees. Put all these tools together, and you've got a full-stack AI setup that handles your content, your voice, your marketing, and your workflow. The best part? Once it's set up, it keeps working for you, even while you sleep. Greater than Section 4. Automate your life, not just your work. AI isn't just for making money, it's for freeing your time. Here's the truth. AI isn't just about making money, it's about getting your time back. Imagine this. You wake up, and your calendar is already optimized. Meetings shifted, priorities sorted, and your to-do list planned by AI. It's Tuesday, so your AI has already generated a healthy meal plan and synced a grocery list with your delivery app. No time to hit the gym? Your AI fitness coach suggests a 20-minute home workout, tailored to your energy level and goals. Learning a new skill? AI tutors give you bite-sized lessons based on your learning style. It's like having a personal coach for your brain. And money? Tracked automatically. AI tools categorize your spending, predict bills, and even suggest how much to invest. On one side, chaos, clutter, and constant decision fatigue. On the other, automation, clarity, and peace of mind. AI doesn't just save you time, it gives you life back. More time for your passions, your people, and yourself. So if you've only been using AI for work, it's time to use it for living better too. Greater than, this is where the magic happens. One idea becomes multiple products, becomes a business, becomes a system that scales itself. It's not about working harder, it's about building smarter, with AI as your engine. Turn your AI service into a small agency. Let AI monitor performance and adjust as it grows. You just saw how to use AI in 2025 to automate your life and build real income. I've used these exact steps to grow multiple channels and products, and I'm not stopping here. Which AI income stream are you starting first? Drop a comment. Hit like if this gave you new ideas, and subscribe if you're ready to let AI work for you. Subscribe for more AI plus passive income tips.